From the NTD numbering task pane, you can access numbering schemes made available by your firm. You can also create your own numbering schemes for use in future documents. To access the numbering task pane if it is not displayed, click on Add Modify in the numbering group on the NTD ribbon, or click the dialog box launcher in the bottom right corner of the group. The Active Document area of the bottom of the Litera NTD task pane contains the numbering schemes that already exist in the document. Expand the Enterprise Personal area that contains organizational schemes your firm has made available. You can add a personal folder to the task pane and save a numbering scheme from the current document for future use in other documents. Right-click on the active document folder and select Add New Personal Folder. Enter a name for the folder. Drag the numbering symbol with the associated numbering scheme you want to save from the active document and drop it onto the personal folder you just created. The numbering scheme in your personal folder will now be available in other documents you open. Before you can apply a numbering scheme to a new document, the numbering scheme must be available within the Active Document area of the task pane. You can use one of the default schemes or a scheme you created to apply to the new document. Right-click on the scheme you want to use and select Insert into Document. The scheme will be loaded into the document and all of its numbering levels will be available for use. The NTD tab indicates that the selected scheme has been inserted into the document. To view the new numbering styles associated with the numbering scheme applied, click the dialog launcher from the Styles group of the Home tab. The name of the scheme is included in the new numbering styles. The Preview section of the task pane displays how each level will be formatted. If not already showing, click the name of the numbering scheme in the Active Document area. You can use the level markers in the NTD Preview area to apply the numbering styles associated with the different levels. Click the level marker 1 to apply Level 1 numbering to the first paragraph. Level 1 numbering is applied. Based on the settings for Level 1, Level 2 numbering follows when Enter is pressed. Click the level marker 3 to apply Level 3 numbering. Click the level marker 4 to apply Level 4 numbering. As noted in the overview lesson, numbering can also be applied from the NTD ribbon. The tool strip on the NTD task pane contains many of the same functions as the buttons in the numbering group on the ribbon. Select a level from the preview area and use the Navigate Forward button to search for that level going forward. Level 4 is now highlighted in the document. Select a level from the preview area and use the Navigate Backward button to search backward in the document. Level 1 is now highlighted in the document. The article L4 style was followed by the same style when Enter was pressed. Click the level marker from the preview area to apply a different numbering level. Use the Restart button from the tool strip if you want to restart the numbering at the cursor location. Click the Continue button from the tool strip to continue the numbering. Use the Demote button from the tool strip to demote the numbering to the next level. Click the Promote button from the tool strip to promote the numbering level. The next two buttons on the tool strip are used to remove numbering. In this document, the heading scheme has been applied and is listed in the Active Document area. When clicking on the first Remove Numbering button in the tool strip, the numbering is removed, but the text retains the formatting of the paragraph. When clicking on the second Remove Numbering button in the tool strip, the numbering is removed, but the default body text style is applied.